We have to focus on modernizing our facilities because many of our facilities are World War II era facilities, especially in our high explosive mission. So we're in the process of upgrading all of our major facilities in our high explosive manufacturing mission. That journey has been more than 20 years in the making.
Since 1960, Pantex has provided cradle-to-grave high explosive manufacturing for all weapons programs, and production is wide-stretching, including synthesis, formulation, machining, assembly, disposition, and testing, and has received the designation High Explosive Center of Excellence for Manufacturing from the National Nuclear Security Administration.
The goal, again, for the High Explosive Center of Excellence is to continue to improve every day, to be able to meet the mission of today and the future. Today, we're still working in some of our older facilities, still using some of our older equipment, and we're going to get to the point where we're having the major facility upgrades.
High explosives construction projects include the Science and Engineering Facility, the Synthesis, Formulation, and Production Facility, and the Advanced Fabrication Facility, all designed to sustain the program long-term.
It takes lots of planning, lots of approvals, lots of engineering to even get a design on paper before we even start construction. The construction is heavy construction, so it usually costs more for facilities to be able to manufacture high explosives, and it's intuitive that that's the case.
Budgets and time are two of the biggest challenges facing these modernization efforts to produce these specialized facilities. Decades of strategic planning and obtaining the funding for high explosive modernization efforts have been top priorities at Pantex.
We're going to have to modernize, and we're making big strides and getting lots of support from the enterprise, NNSA headquarters, and our lab partners in this endeavor to upgrade facilities equipment.
These new facilities replace buildings constructed in World War II, and the High Explosive Center of Excellence modernization efforts are expected to be complete by the year 2030, which will help enable Pantex to continue fulfilling its vital role of maintaining and enhancing global security for decades to come.